Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe 2 update today. So there's a psychological pump going on here for people to get more interested and start to buy the coin. So what I'm going to say is that, at least for now, I may recommend you to be a little bit careful with the purchase of the coin. Now the reason being is this is not a very good retest, especially on the daily. When you look at the candle being like this, it's not a good idea, because it's green right now, but the candle hasn't closed. You still have 14 more hours to close the candle. So if the candle starts to look something like this before the closing, it's highly likely that the coin is actually going to drop a little bit more down. And it even makes sense that people are going to place their stop loss below right there. So a lot of stop loss, I'm pretty sure, is right here, and I do believe that there is still time for the coin to go a little bit lower. Now the next thing is on the 4-hour time frame. It's pretty clear to me that the retest, I don't like this kind of retest, because you can see this is your one support, resistance there, resistance here, and a break above it. So when you came down for the retest, I don't really even think that the first candle even touched the line. So you can see that there's a very small gap right here, and you never touch the line. So if you do zoom in there, miss right there. And this pump may just be a trap, okay? This does look to me like a trap right over here. Another thing is, on the 1-hour time frame, we do have this resistance as well. So you may be careful here. You got one resistance, move down, one resistance, move down, and you can see you are getting rejected multiple times. So you can have an opportunity to trade Pepe, and we may actually see a risk here of 15%, which is quite big. If you want to minimize it, you can put it at 6.77, but the best stop loss right now is almost right over there at 15.2%, which is 16,295. And then you have a move down, which potentially, I do believe, you're looking to sweep the floor down for a 20% result, because this isn't a good retest. This is your resistance right here. Now let's say you do break above here and retest, then you have another 20% to move to the upside. But I personally believe that this may just go down. I don't really think it's gonna go up. But then again, always keep in mind, if you break above resistance, then the invalidation happens to go to the downside. You're not looking for a downside. So it's up to how the market makers here make their call, and they do their game right now. So that's it for this very quick update on Pepe 2. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.